A beautiful looking e-commerce template is a great start, but without a sales engine, your site's homepage is just a store window, not an online store. Honestly, most people fail in online e-commerce because they focus on web design rather than the product catalog, shopping cart, checkout, payment methods, etc. Many users start with Shopify, Wix, or Webflow, or any other no-code tools. And today, we will show how to do it even faster in 7 minutes. We will build a fully functional e-commerce online store without coding with NicePage. You'll have a fully working e-commerce site built, started with an AI builder, checkout with connected Stripe and PayPal, product catalog, and as a bonus, multilingual support and a project export support for your full control. Let's start. Start your e-commerce website with AI Builder. We'll start building the online store from scratch. For that, we'll get e-commerce layout ideas from the AI-powered website builder. Let's enter a simple prompt. Online sneaker store. Within minutes, we get a responsive website with an e-commerce structure, a hero section, content pages and sections, typography, and colors. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, we now have a visually complete website structure, which we can now expand with e-commerce functionality. Build your product catalog. All right, let's make this store real. The product catalog is the heartbeat of any e-commerce website. We open the products panel and add a few products with titles, descriptions, prices, discounts, and images. You can also add product variants such as sizes, colors, and pricing options. As soon as we add a product, the online store structure is already live, and the store link automatically appears in the menu. Add product list. Next, let's add a dynamic product list to the homepage. Everything pulls from the same catalog, so any change we make here updates all pages instantly. Instead of duplicating elements manually, like in some no-code tools, we edit a centralized product database. This works just like Webflow CMS or Framer collections. Update a product once and it automatically updates everywhere. No extra steps needed. Create product pages with templates. Once the product list is added, products appear in the catalog, but each product gets its own page using a dynamic template. Why is this important? Keeps UI, UX consistent. Makes your store scalable. Helps SEO because every product page is structured correctly. Imagine adding 50 products and not having to touch a single page manually. That's how AI-powered no-code e-commerce saves you hours. Set up shopping cart and connect Stripe or PayPal payments. Now the store needs to actually sell. We enable the shopping cart and checkout system. Let's add the shopping cart icon to the header. It opens a live list of selected products. The cart is built-in, responsive, and works on mobile, tablet, or desktop. Next, we configure the product button. It has 3 possible actions: view product page, add to cart, buy now. Let's connect payments. In the settings, we can enable Stripe Payment Gateway, PayPal payments, email notifications. After publishing, the store is ready to accept payments. The checkout flow is now fully functional. You can also edit the shopping cart and checkout templates. Adjust their design and layout to match your store's look and feel. This is important when exporting to WordPress or Joomla because these templates become part of your theme. Make your store multilingual. For global reach, we add multilingual e-commerce support. Simply add the language control and select the languages you need. Inside the product panel, we use the Translate Products button. Select all active languages and the website builder automatically translates the products. This improves SEO visibility, international reach, conversion rates. Export your e-commerce store. Take full control. Here's one of the coolest parts of NicePage. You can export your store as HTML, WordPress e-commerce theme, Joomla template. This means full control over your code, ownership of your design and structure, independence from platform lock-in. This is what separates platform-based tools from systems where you actually own your e-commerce website. You're not just building a website on someone else's platform. You're creating a real no-code e-commerce system you can move anywhere. Ready to see your store live in just minutes? Just hit the Publish button in the editor, and that's it. Your e-commerce website is live and ready to accept orders. And this is where everything comes together. With NicePage and its AI-powered e-commerce builder, you're not just designing pages, you're building a complete online store system. Product catalog, shopping cart, checkout flow, payment integration, multilingual support, full export. AI helps you start faster, and e-commerce tools make the website functional. If you're ready to own your store instead of renting it, it's time to build it yourself. You'll see the difference immediately. Subscribe for more tutorials.